So, article in repetition and without repetition, I have discussed, uh, you know, thoroughly in the previous lesson. In this lesson, just I will, mention the use of article in repeated order or without repetition in the sentence of comparison. In comparison, in the sentences of comparison, you see, he is a better poet than a novelist. So here, you know, in the earlier lesson we have discussed that whenever we repeat article before adjective or noun, different persons are indicated, and if we do not repeat, article is used only once or one time, then the same person is being indicated. So in this comparison also you see that he is a better poet than a novelist. So here poet and novelist are two separate persons. So here the sentence actually indicates that he is a poet and another person is a novelist. And as a poet he can do something, and similarly another person as a novelist can do something, but the person who is the poet can do better. That is why he is a better poet than a novelist. So, a novelist, another person. Okay. But in this sentence, he is a better poet than novelist. So article is not repeated. A is only used before better poet, not before novelist. So these two noun, poet and novelist, are referring to the same person, one person, that is he. He is both poet and novelist, but as a poet he is better, little bit better than as a novelist. Clear? Similarly, you see, Rambabu is a better teacher than a speaker. So here teacher and speaker are two different persons because they have separate article before them. But Rambabu is a better teacher than speaker. Here article is not repeated. That is why teacher and speaker, these two nouns are referring to a single person, that is Rambabu. Okay. So you see the difference? Here Rambabu as a teacher little bit better than as a speaker. Okay. So we can say in the earlier lesson also and in this lesson also, whenever we repeat article, two persons or things are being indicated. And if we do not repeat, or if repetition is not done, then only a single person or thing indicated. Okay.